I am going to tell you what. I talked this thing the other day. A lot of people was like, I say, so when I see these speckles, when I see these speckles here, these speckles they cook am. You get the way you go cook your quick speckles. If your guy put mouth, you go they taste garlic, ginger, and the clove. If your speckles go get menthol. You never see speckles get menthol. You never see them before. I am going to teach you how to cook your speckles. How your speckles will look like when they put them out, it will taste like menthol. You never see them before? I don't know. Sorry. Una don't know say this speckles get menthol. Where you go use some things when I go tell you to use it and wash your speckles and sit down inside and cook your speckles. Where you go they cook them? Just sit down, carry your bucket. Put your bucket. See my drink. I will start to drink it now. You want to go? I love your courage. Yes, so look at me now. You sit down like this. You sit down like this. If it is a disgrace, please, waka pass. Please, we don't call you here. Oh, we are not a fake passport. After this, I'm going to hit points right now. Look at me. You sit down on top of bucket. Start to cook your pussy. Look me as if you are making love to your husband. You go to cook your pussy. See, the vibe go to go into you. You go to cook am. You go cook your pussy. Sit down like this. You go to cook pussy. When I say the way I'm cooking it, this is how you will be doing. Cooking it. If you cook, you check your waist. You sit down again. The vibe will go inside you. I will teach you guys. Okay? And try to do it. Don't sit down there and be smelling like when we done sour beans. Sit down or carry bucket come. Put the ingredients when I will tell you to put. That leaf, I don't know, but I will show you guys tomorrow if I go to supermarket. That one, I am not going to sell it for you people. I am not going to collect money. I just want to say it openly here. That leaf is it's like scent leaf, but it's menthol this thing. Morocco people, they use it as Lipton. When you take it, you put it for kettle or for pot. You drink it like normal tea. You will use it for your speckles. My sister, you gonna boil your toto, you gonna cook your toto dry, make your toto have spices. This pussy where you see is a pussy that if when you treat it, you will have a lot of spices. You want to go? You can't just sit down and carry it and shimmy, your plasma it will gonna leak. Tomorrow if you not be because you are too dirty, make your husband is running outside. Not that you are too fat, make your husband is running outside. There is a lot of reasons. Okay? You yourself as a woman, you cannot even still go outside and have a get nice man because of what? Your Igbo is an Igbo borehole. The Igbo is throwing water, it's throwing up 24 hours. Come and listen. Don't insult. It will be good for yourself. You will even like me more than any other person. Forget insult. Forget pretending. Be sincere. Be straight. And tell yourself the truth. Come and learn. I tell you how you take small buckets. Let me show you guys an example. Let me show you guys an example. I want to show you an example. Where is my water? Where is my water? Okay. Stop calling me. This person that is calling me. Stop calling me. I am using the phone. Stop calling me. I am going to block. Oh. Look at me. This is an example now. This rubber is okay. It's okay, but it can still get bigger than this. Just an example to how to spices your pussy. How to cook your pussy. I know tomorrow morning a lot of people will be commenting bad. We go, why are this? You know, concern me. The people that want to learn will learn. People that want to hear will hear. Look at me. This is water. Let me drink. But it will be very hot water. Not this way. I'm just giving you an example. Thank you so much. You see, I'm just giving you guys an example. This is water with a clean rubber. That rubber is supposed to be only in your Igbo. The rubber, buy it is special for your speckles. You want to go do spice, do your as in spices. Wait, I'm coming. I'm coming, guys. I think I still have it here. I pray. Oh, don't finish. It can't finish for here because all these things I have it here. It can never finish me. Hey, if I got a now, I want more. Now we get equal. Look at it. This is, they call it clove. You guys don't know. When I tell you guys that those things in those days is still on my head, you guys will not believe. Let me do it. I want to show you guys how you will take and cook your igbo. Your igbo will remain as young like never. They will call you old mama, old this, but when you open your pussy, road, they can't pass road there till you put go before them pass. You want to go? Igbo ga digido tight. At least your husband na alago dogi. Or na alagi di igbo nwa di ezigbote tight. My wife will wash. My wife ada aka. Let me show you guys this thing. I use it for stew. I use it for nsala soup. This is our soup, white soup, because I prepare it. I use it for stew also. I use it for jollof rice, but I don't use it for soup. Let me show you. I don't know. You guys know it. You can only see it. Look at it here. My Instagram people, I hope you guys are seeing it. This is it. This is called clove. Look at it again here, my people. How do I do it now? Are you guys seeing it? Okay, let me show you guys only one. Look at it. Clove. This is it. Clove. You see it? This is very nice. And a lot will say, don't try it, oh, is this, oh. They don't, anything I use is what I'm telling you. You know why I show you guys this? So, you will take it like this, like count it, oh, like six pieces like this, put it inside like this. Look at me. You see it? Then that water must be boiled, must be very hot. This thing have menthol. This thing have a lot of menthol. But it not be saying the pepper, but it have menthol. Take it and cook your igbo. You see the way I put it inside this rubber? You see, it's inside this rubber. But make sure so that you will put water rich here. Then you collect ginger. Yes, ginger is good. Then pop ginger for even anus to use it and go toilet. Some people that doesn't go toilet like that, you can match ginger, put it inside it and pop it inside. It doesn't harm. Yes. So that ginger, take it. Don't use pepper. Don't near that ginger with pepper. Don't near it with pepper. You match the ginger. You pour it inside here. Let me still show you ginger. So that this igbo